Good evening, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. This little temperate greenhouse of mine is my favorite spot to be in the late afternoon, late evening. It's like 8:30 right now, and sun will be setting soon over there behind the mountains. But it just makes this awesome light right now where I can, like, I don't know, I just love being in here. It's warm. It's like 33 degrees in here right now. It's warm and sunny and bright. And I just love poking around in this greenhouse, so I thought I'd show you some more stuff in here. And I brought out my never seen before ultra basic Pygmy Sundew collection here. So I thought I'd give you like a Pygmy Sundew tour. I haven't been doing Pygmy Sundews for long, not even one full year, so I don't have their seasons down pat yet. But right now I am keeping them down there on that tray. Right there. They're quite wet, and then I'm going to let them stay out in the temperate greenhouse. This is a frost-free greenhouse. I'll let them stay out here and sort of dry up a bit for winter. So I can't believe I'm having this problem with sphagnum moss these days. It's growing over everything. So let's see here. I don't know if you hear my dog whining in the background, but I have a new puppy. There's this guy, and quite a few of them. Pygmy Sundews are definitely pygmy, that's for sure. These ones were some other seeds. They were just like bonus seeds that I got. And they're not meant to be growing with Pygmy Sundews, but they stayed in there. So, yeah. This one, Australis, never came up. Never got any. And nodes, I guess that's pronounced. Doing pretty well. So I don't think this sphagnum moss is like the perfect conditions for them. I think it's a little bit stuffy. I wish they were just on the peat and the sand like I planted them. Let's see if we can get them in focus there. But yeah, it's just coming up on everything. Give you a size reference with a pencil to see how big they are. The famous Scorpioides. So these will be quite a big sundew, and they're growing quite quickly. A few of them not looking so good there. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's a little wet. They're just sort of like gone back to like dormant almost. But so these guys have it fairly sunny down there. Like you can see, they're getting some sun right now, direct sun, with the Drosera bonita. It's a south-facing wall, but it's quite low and does get shaded from the shelf above from the sun, like noonday sun, but they're getting more of the evening sun right now. Let's see here. Stella Flora. Osima. Oh, we got one in flower here. Macrantha. And of course it just happens to be like the whitest flower with a little tag behind it so you can barely even see it. Tiny little flower. What else did we got here? Pygmia. In the middle there. Again, I think they're just going to get choked out by the sphagnum moss, unfortunately. Scrape of the tag. Gibbonzii. Maybe I'm saying that wrong. GIB. Can't read what that is. S. Gibsoni. Oh, it looks like an S. They're doing pretty good. These ones never came up, so we can pass those along. Occidentalis. These guys were really flowering. But, yeah, sadly, I'm looking at this going, I'm going to lose these guys to this sphagnum moss. It's cursed. This guy I just found buried in the corner. I only had one, and he was like way down like in this corner here, but there was no media, so I just like repotted him. He looks like crap. minute flora. Tiny. Look at that. Sargentii. Beautiful little one. Suelier. I've never actually said these like names out loud before. I've never done a video on them. Microscapa. And sorry for you Pygmy Sundew people if I'm saying it wrong. I'm sure I am, but anyways. So yeah, I don't know what it was about the peat moss this year, but all my peat moss just came out to like life this winter. So that's kind of a curse. Normally it'd be a blessing, but yeah, it's just kind of a pain in the butt. So I don't know why I did it for all of these guys. It hasn't done it for my fly traps or anything yet, but it probably will. So anyways, I hope you like this Pygmy Sundew video. I'm by no means an expert on them, but I thought they'd be fun to try. So we'll see how it goes and take them through the winter out here because they like it nice and cold. Hope you like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.